Chicken nugget, 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 sauce, 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 chicken nugget.
Hey, this is Nugglove with a Nugginators review. Now, when you think of Arby's, you think of that beef and cheddar, their turkey sandwiches, their ham sandwiches, their beef sandwiches, their bacon sandwiches, their ham sandwiches. But you know what? When they say they've got the meat, they mean it. They also have chicken tenders. Let's get that close up. Now, I don't know about you guys, but Arby's, when it comes to meat, they know what they're doing. Let's jump right into this.
Hey there, Nug Nation. This is Nugglove, and I just wanted to thank you for watching our video. If you guys enjoyed it, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you really love us, follow us on our social media, which are linked in the description below. Don't forget to ring that little notification bell to get alerted for videos every 10 to Tuesday and Sauce Saturday. Thanks again.